Did you know yoga can make you a better driver? Yes, you heard that right. It seems like an unlikely connection, doesn't it? Yet when we peel back the layers, the connection between yoga and driving becomes apparent. Yoga, the ancient practice of mind-body unity, holds the key to better driving. Imagine this, you're on the road, navigating through the hustle and bustle of traffic. Your focus is crucial, isn't it? And what does yoga teach us? The art of concentration. By helping us to be in the present, it sharpens our focus. Next, think about the stress of daily commuting. Yoga, with its calming postures, can help alleviate this stress, leading to a more relaxed driving experience. Furthermore, yoga promotes physical well-being, which directly impacts our ability to drive comfortably and safely. So, buckle up as we dive deeper into this interesting journey of yoga and driving. Focus, a term often associated with yoga, but how does it relate to driving? When we think about yoga, we often visualize serene environments, calm minds, and controlled breathing. But at its core, yoga is a discipline that develops our ability to focus. Yes, you heard it right, focus, a skill that is as essential to yoga as it is to safe and effective driving. Yoga employs several practices that cultivate focus. One of the most prominent among these is meditation. Meditation is a journey inward, a process of tuning out external distractions to concentrate on our internal state. It trains the mind to stay in the present, to be aware and attentive. This improved concentration can be a boon while navigating the roads. With a honed ability to focus, we could better anticipate the actions of other drivers, make quicker decisions, and react swiftly to unexpected situations. Breath control, or pranayama as it is known in yoga, is another practice that can enhance our focus. By harnessing our breath, we learn to control our thoughts and maintain a steady mind, even in high-pressure situations. Imagine applying this to a driving scenario. The ability to keep cool and focused, especially into challenging road conditions, could significantly reduce the risk of accidents. In addition, yoga encourages mindfulness, a state of being fully engaged and present in the moment. When we bring this mindfulness to our driving, we become more aware of our surroundings, our vehicle, and our actions. This heightened awareness can lead to safer driving practices as we become more responsive to changes in our environment and more considerate of other road users. So, the next time you find yourself in a challenging driving situation, remember the focus you've cultivated through your yoga practice. Use it to remain aware, to react quickly and accurately, and to drive with a sense of calm and control. Hence, mastering the art of focus through yoga can make you a more alert and responsive driver. Driving can sometimes be a stressful activity, but guess what? Yoga can help. Now, let's delve into the world of yoga and its stress-relieving benefits, which can be a lifesaver when it comes to managing the nerves and tension often tied with driving. Imagine for a moment you're stuck in traffic, the clock is ticking, and your patience is dwindling. This is where yoga comes into play. By practicing yoga, you learn to cultivate a sense of inner peace and calm, which can be an antidote to the stress brewing within you in these situations. Yoga, an age-old practice, is built on the principles of mindfulness and awareness of the present moment. This focus on the here and now allows us to let go of worries about the future or past, which are often the root cause of our stress. In the context of driving, it means maintaining your cool, even when the car in front of you is moving slower than a snail, or when you're trying to navigate through unfamiliar roads. Moreover, yoga encourages deep, controlled breathing, a technique that plays a vital role in stress reduction. Deep breathing signals your brain to calm down and relax, thereby reducing heart rate and blood pressure, the physiological responses to stress. So, the next time you find yourself gripping the steering wheel a bit too tight, take a deep breath and remember your yoga practice. Yoga also promotes patience and self-awareness, two crucial traits for any driver. Regular yoga practice helps you develop a more patient and forgiving attitude, reducing instances of road rage and impulsive driving. It also heightens your self-awareness, helping you recognize when you're feeling stressed and take steps to mitigate it. To sum it up, yoga is not just about physical flexibility, it's also about mental resilience. It empowers you to handle stress more effectively, not just on the yoga mat, but also behind the wheel. By reducing stress, yoga allows you to maintain a calm demeanor even in the most challenging driving situations. Now, let's shift gears and talk about how yoga's physical benefits translate to better driving. Yoga, known for its calming and centering effects, also boasts numerous physical benefits that can surprisingly make your driving experience more comfortable and safer. One such benefit is the improvement of flexibility. Regular yoga practice stretches and lengthens your muscles, increasing your range of motion. This newfound flexibility can make a world of difference when you're behind the wheel. Turning your head to check blind spots, twisting your body to reverse park, or simply reaching out to adjust your rearview mirror all become easier and more fluid with yoga-enhanced flexibility. In addition to flexibility, yoga also builds strength. It's not just about being able to lift heavy objects, but about having control over your body. Strong arms ensure a firm grip on the steering wheel, allowing for better vehicle control, particularly in situations that require quick steering adjustments. A strong core, often developed through yoga, aids in maintaining a proper upright posture during driving, reducing the likelihood of back pain and fatigue during long drives. And let's not forget about endurance. Yoga poses held for extended periods train your body to withstand physical stress, enhancing your stamina. This can lead to less fatigue during those long road trips, allowing you to stay focused and alert for longer periods. Lastly, yoga's influence on our reflexes and response time can't be overlooked. The practice of yoga involves a high degree of mind-body coordination, which can translate to quicker physical responses in emergencies. Picture this. A sudden obstacle appears on the road. Your yoga-trained reflexes could mean the difference between a close call and a collision. Therefore, the physical benefits of yoga go a long way in enhancing your driving skills. It's not just about peace of mind and stress relief, but also about physical readiness and control, all of which can make you a more alert, responsive, and ultimately, a safer driver. Now that we've established the connection between yoga and driving, how can you incorporate yoga into your routine? It's easier than you might think. Yoga doesn't require a dedicated studio or expensive equipment. All you need is a little time, some space, and a commitment to your well-being. Let's start with the morning. Upon waking up, take a few minutes to do some simple stretches and breathing exercises. This not only wakes up your body, but it also calms your mind and sets a peaceful tone for the rest of your day. Consider poses, like the mountain pose or the tree pose, both of which are great for improving balance and focus. If you're about to embark on a long drive, there's no better time to incorporate some yoga. Before you get behind the wheel, take a moment to do a quick stretch. A gentle forward bend or a neck roll can do wonders to relieve tension in your shoulders and neck, areas that often get stiff during long drives. Yoga can also be incorporated during breaks. If you're stuck in traffic or waiting at a red light, take a few deep breaths. Practice mindful breathing, focusing on the sensation of your breath filling your lungs and then leaving your body. This can help reduce stress and anxiety, keeping you calm and focused on the road ahead. And let's not forget about the end of the day. After a long day of driving, your body will thank you for some gentle yoga exercises. Try the child's pose or the legs up the wall pose. These poses are great for relieving stress and helping your body relax and recuperate. Remember, yoga is not about perfecting the poses. It's about connecting with your body, improving your focus, and relieving stress. So don't feel pressured to do everything perfectly. Listen to your body and adjust your practice as needed. Remember, even a few minutes of yoga a day can lead to significant improvements in your driving skills. To sum up, yoga and driving share a more profound connection than you might think. Throughout this exploration, we've discovered how yoga enhances focus, offering a clear, calm mind that's essential for safe driving. Furthermore, we've understood how yoga serves as a powerful tool for stress relief, helping to eliminate road rage and anxiety, thereby creating more mindful drivers. We've also delved into the physical health benefits of yoga, which not only promote overall well-being, but also help in maintaining good posture during long drives and reducing fatigue. And lastly, we've provided some practical tips on how to seamlessly incorporate yoga into your daily routine, ensuring these benefits aren't just confined to the yoga mat. So the next time you're hitting the road, remember to take a few deep breaths, focus your mind, and embrace the yoga-driven driver in you. Because at the end of the day, the best driver is a calm, alert, and healthy one, and yoga can help you become just that.